Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Tundra maintenance light. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your odometer displays the total mileage, not trip A or trip B. This is a crucial first step to ensure the reset process works correctly. Now, find the trip reset button on your dashboard. With the ignition on and the odometer showing total mileage, press and hold the trip reset button. Keep it pressed down. While still holding the button, turn your ignition key to the OFF position. It's important to maintain pressure on that button. Continue holding it for about 10 seconds. You'll see the light begin to flash. Now, while still holding the trip reset button, turn your ignition key back to the on position. You should observe the maintenance light flashing rapidly for a few seconds. Keep holding the button until the light goes out completely. Once the light is no longer illuminated, you can release the trip reset button. The reset is almost complete. To verify the reset was successful, start your Toyota Tundra's engine. The maintenance light should now be off. If it reappears, simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning. This simple process clears the maintenance reminder, letting you know it's ready for your next service interval. You've successfully reset your maintenance light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.